Hello, I'm Peter from InnoVint's Client Success Team, and today I'd like to talk to you about tax class changes. This is the time of year when many of us declare our current vintage wines as produced by fermentation on our TTB reports. And the way that you do that in InnoVint is by changing the tax class of those wine lots from fermenting juice to the appropriate declared tax class, like less than 16%. So in InnoVint, there are two places from which you can change a wine lot's tax class. The first is from the Lots Detail dashboard, and the second is from the Tax Class Declaration report. The Tax Class Declaration report can be accessed from our Reporting Explorer. It's under the Compliance Reports section and is called, as expected, Tax Class Declaration. This report will give me a list of all of my currently active wine lots, what the tax class is today, as well as surfacing any recent alcohol analysis values. To make changes, I simply select the current tax class and then change to the newly desired class and record that change by clicking on the Set Tax Class buttons. I'll know I've successfully recorded the tax class changes when the buttons are grayed out, and if I was to visit either of those lots that I just changed, I would see the tax class change come up as a line item in those lots' histories. It's important to note that you cannot backdate tax class changes from this form, so those line items will be timestamped at the time that I hit that green button. So what if I do need to backdate a tax class change? Well, I can do that from a Lots Detail dashboard. I have open here in another tab a lot of rosé that was created in the wrong tax class. I accidentally created this lot in the less than 16% class when I should have created it in the fermenting juice class. And now, in order to correct my error, I need to backdate a tax class change to the time that the lot was created. Luckily, InnoVint has a method for me to do that. I can click on the little blue pencil next to the current tax class, and that'll bring up a tax class change window for me. In this window, I can select my new class, in this case fermenting juice, and I have options to make this change effective either today, on a previous date and time of my choosing, or at the time that the lot was created. Now, when correcting these errors, many people are tempted to choose a previous date and then select a date and time just after the lot was created. However, if you do it that way, you'll accidentally report your gallons as returned to fermenters on the TTB report. In order to truly correct my mistake, I need to choose when the lot was created. If I change the tax class in this way, it'll make it appear as though my lot was always in the fermenting juice tax class. And that gives me the opportunity to now change the tax class appropriately to less than 16% and declare my gallons as produced by fermentation on the TTB report. So I hope that helps, and please let us know if you have any questions about tax class changes or declaring your current vintage wines. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.